Hey, good morning, guys. Want to do a quick review about some of the stocks that was discussed last week, how they played out, and just video. I'm just trying to make it for myself to understand my whole trading plan, my trading strategy, what's working, what's not working. So let's start. On June the 6th, some of the ideas that I threw out was SINA long. I did take a position on SINA on Monday, June the 6th. And I believe I got in somewhere around 54 region. Didn't really do any much. It actually stopped me out. So this was not really a breakout trade. This is more of a pullback trade, which is trading a small account. I wouldn't really recommend to trade a pullback trade. So that's something I need to consider as well of not to trade any pullback trades, at least for now. The other trade that we discussed was WLL on Monday, for Monday. And WLL on Monday, June the 6th, it actually did really well. If we take a look at the 5-minute chart, let me just pull that up for you guys. So this is the Monday chart, right? This was June the 6th. It gapped up, had a pullback, and had a nice run from 13 bucks all the way to 13.80. Next day gap up to 14. So that's one of the names that I missed out, which I should have traded on Monday, which I didn't. That was a breakout trade I should have considered. Something to keep in mind for myself going forward. We also discussed when for Monday, and let me just pull up when. So for Monday, it did break out. Didn't break out on June the 6th. Broke out on June the 7th. So June 6th, I was eyeing for it. Didn't really break out, so there was no trade on when. Then we discussed about now, NOW. That was on June the 6th as well. So this one broke out over the 75 level that I was discussing. Never really managed to take a trade because I was involved with SINA, SINA, and I had that position in there, so I didn't want to take another position. I didn't have much any capital left to take a position. Um, so that was the trades for Monday. So the only one that I should have taken was WLL. Come June the 7th, which was a Tuesday, I had again the SINA long, the Win long. On short ideas, I had was Netflix and JD for June the 7th. So this is, June the 8th. For June the 8th, I posted on June 7th. For June 8th, I had the ideas for a short Netflix, which actually worked out really well. It's a short on June the 8th. It dropped from almost 99.50 all the way to 93, almost 6 point drop. Um, Once again, this is a breakdown trade which I should have taken. Netflix along with JD, which I discussed on June the 8th as well. Same story. This was June the 8th. Broke out from 22.50, sorry, 22.20 to all the 21.20. So almost a point drop, right? So two of the names I should have traded, but instead I was involved in SINA. I was holding on to SINA, seeing if it's going to do some kind of bounce. Of course, holding on to a losing trade doesn't really work out. That's what I have learned. On June the 8th, I posted some stocks for June the 9th. So I had SINA again, Data, YY, and so YY was for June the 9th. And look what happened on June the 9th. It actually broke down this base and then it dropped lower. So it went up as high as 43.02, the low of 41.19 on June the 8th, June the 9th, and June the 10th had a bigger follow through. So some things for right now for the week or week two with the $10,000 portfolio. I'm still down a bit. I didn't really calculate how much it is, but I still have a SINA trade, a SINA position on, and I longed it at an average of about 53.08. For now, I'll leave the stops at 52, see what happens on Monday. If it does any kind of a bounce, I'll try to get rid of it and try to reevaluate my whole game plan. We'll be trading only breakouts, or breakdowns. Not gonna trade any kind of a pullback buy or pullback long or short at this point of time. Straight breakouts, breakdowns is gonna be in play. Um, and if trades work out the same day, then I'll leave something to for swing overnight. If it doesn't, if I don't have any profits for the day, then I will likely close a position the same day. Just try to minimize my losses. So right now, last week I was up about 585, 595, about $600. But this week I think I've given back almost more than $600. So just something to consider. It went to low of 52, so I'll put a stop around 52, see what happens for Monday, see a bounce back. But overall, I didn't really like my trading for this week. Was in and out. Had my other things, hustles going on the side, which makes guaranteed income. So for now, that's it for the week. I'll do a recap about what I learned this week and post it up in a few hours. Cheers.